Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Quillbot Premium for free. Firstly, go to the Quillbot website and click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Register using your email address and set a secure password. Now check your email inbox for a verification code from Quillbot. Then click on the verification link to activate your account. If you signed up for Quillbot Premium, your premium features will now be available. You can also get access to these features temporarily for free. You can enhance your writing experience by adding Quillbot to different platforms like Google Chrome extension, Google Docs extension, and Microsoft Word extension. Open Quillbot and start paraphrasing, summarizing, and checking grammar in real time. Use the AI-powered features to improve clarity and enhance your writing. For privacy and security, Quillbot follows strict data protection laws to keep your information secure. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.